A little bit only. Later, it's gonna rain hard. Do you want to rain it hard, Monika?
Yeah.
Hey, you wait.
When is later?
Later? Okay. Okay, where are you going? You can use your umbrella while riding a bike. Can you do that? Can you do that? You try if you can do it. Okay. There's a plant. There is a plant. Kabut ka, boy. Kabut ka, boy. Asa ka pa? Dulog dari ka, oh. Dari ka. Tawon. Gula may maski ulan. She can do it.
Please move out, guys.
Asa man ka, boy?
Ato silingan.
Hoy, asa ka manong balay?
Mato na sa kalsada.
Matay di ko di. Og di ni mabantayan ding bata kawaton.
O mula ka na lagi mo isa.
Kawaton niya ka, boy. It's raining. You want to go to the park? Warang. Alam, manglakaw rami sa park lay.
What did Mama say?
We're going. I think we're not allowed to go to the park. Monika wants to play in the rain. You want to play in the rain, Monika? Monika, use your umbrella. Yung isa, oh, straight. Yun siya mudagan, boy. Huy. Dula sila sa rain, Where are we going? We're not going to the park because it's raining. Boy. Asa ka, boy? Ah, there's a body food. You're not playing that. Can I see your face, Monika? Idula sa muddy poodles, oh. Okay. Careful. Hey, Boboy, no, you can't. No, you're not wearing your boots. You can't play in the muddy puddle. You can't play in the muddy puddle, boy. Monika can, but you can't. You cannot.
Boy, that's why you need to get your
We need to get your boots. We need to go get your boots right now.
My boy. Nito.